Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Snail Vibes. I'm back with another skincare video for you guys. Winters are here and we are in the month of December, and in this month our skin needs that extra nourishment and extra moisturization. So I thought, why not to share my winter skincare routine with you guys. So Plum has sent me their Plum green tea range, winter skincare range, which is for oily skin, and they also have for dry skin, but my skin type is oily. And yes, I'm super excited for these products. I've already used them and I'm absolutely in love with them, and I want you guys to know more about this Plum green tea range. And yes, your skin too needs that extra nourishment, you know. So yes, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, let me show you the parcel which I received from Plum. So this is the parcel which I got, and I am in love with this. So I want to tell you guys that Plum is having their holiday sale, which is the biggest sale of this year, and they are offering 40% off on their website, Plum website, and they are having this sale from 18th December to 21st of December. So what are you waiting for? You guys should check out their products. And also I want to tell you guys that I received this minis. Just look at the packaging, you guys. This is so cute. Like, this is legit so cute. And yes, these are the minis. So it's the body care range. Let me show you. This is the shower gel. This is so cute. These are the minis, and it is the Plum body loving shower gel Hawaiian Rumba. And let me tell you guys, this smells like it's so nice. It smells like heaven. Like, it's so nice. I absolutely love this. This is gorgeous. And the another one is this body mist. It is called as Plum body loving body mist Hawaiian Rumba. This is so cute. Like this and this, they both smell same. This body mist, oh my god, it's so nice. My god. Wow, I'm in love, guys. This is amazing. So guys, let me tell you, you can get this mini duos free if you order above $8.99 during this holiday sale on the Plum website. So guys, this is the biggest sale of the Plum holiday sale, and it is till 21st of December. So I want you guys to go and order your winter skincare products, and yes, it's amazing. You will love this. So yes, I have applied all these products on my face, and so I want you guys to see it, the results by itself. So let's just start.
So guys, this toner is really amazing. Let me show you. I have used this cotton pad to put it on my face. So first I've cleaned my face. I have used any face wash. You can use any face wash of your choice, and make sure that your skin is clear and it's clean so that you can use this toner. Just take a cotton pad and take few drops of this toner and apply it gently all over your face and neck. Don't forget to apply it on your neck. Just make sure that your face is fully covered with the toner, and you will feel that it gives you that cool sensation, and it's not at all sticky or messy. It's just perfect, and it absorbs really well into your skin. Next pick from this green tea Plum range is their face mask. And this face mask, like, it's absolutely amazing. So I've never used any face mask, so this is my first time to use any face mask. And my skin is oily, and I get pimple on in that period of the month. So that time I think it's amazing. And also keep in mind that you have to use the face mask only once a week. And this green tea face mask, it's called as the green tea Plum clear face mask, and it has amazing ingredients in it, and it smells really awesome. And you will see the results once you apply. Like, it gives you that cooling sensation and you feel really nice, your skin feels really hydrated, and just you feel like your skin is getting that moisture and hydration which it needs during this winter season. So yeah, you have to keep this mask until it dries on completely. Like, I have kept it for 30 minutes on my face. So yeah, make sure that it dries completely, and don't forget to apply it on your neck as well. So after the toner, I have applied this mask, and now it has dried completely. Now after 30 minutes, I'm back here, and I've washed my face, and you just can see the difference. My face looks so clear and so refreshed and hydrated, and it just feels so clean and clear, and just the way I like it. So I absolutely recommend this face mask. So guys, so the last pick from this green tea plum range, which is my favorite, that is night gel. And we all know that our skin heals during the night time, because in the night is the time where our body just heals and our skin heals, and we are resting at that time. So this night gel, this green tea night gel, is my favorite. It gives you that cooling sensation. So after this mask, I have applied this night gel on my skin, completely on my neck as well, and I've just applied it thoroughly on my face, and it's just giving me that cooling sensation which I'm absolutely in love with, and it just make your skin feels really hydrated and refreshing. So yeah, so I've applied this, and you can apply it at the night time before going to bed, and in the morning you will see the results that your skin is clear and it's glowing. So yeah, you have to use this night gel before going to bed, and I love this gel. And all the Plum products are clean beauty products, and they are 100% vegan free from animal derived ingredients like the parabens, phthalates, silicones, SLS and harmful chemicals, which is why I always trust Plum when it comes to skincare. And this range contains ingredients such as green tea, which is an excellent antioxidant, and it have glycolic acid, which helps in skin renewal, and licorice, which protects your skin from any kind of damage. So all the products from the Plum range, they have the best ingredients, and it's 100% vegan, and it's cruelty free. So you should definitely get your hands on this Plum green tea range.
Hope you love this skincare video, and I want you guys to get your hands on these products, because I'm telling you, they are absolutely stunning and you will love it. Especially the face mask, I loved it a lot, because I'm not a face mask person, but this face mask, it gives you that extra nourishment to your skin. So this green tea range from Plum is really good, because yes, I've used it, and then only I'm telling you guys. So that was it for this video. If you want to get these products, I have mentioned the link in my description box, so do check it out. And also, yes, stay happy and keep shining, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.